Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are all probably shocked, like, oh my god, she's actually talking in the video. Like, it's a talk through video. What? Like, I haven't done this in a very long time. 7 months to be exact. And I got a new microphone, so I'm excited to use it. And I wanted to jump on here real quick to bring this to a screen near you. Basically, every time I do an Instagram live and I ask for your suggestions and I ask you guys what glam you want to see, almost, if I have 30 suggestions, 29 of them are looks that are quick, that look put together, that don't require a lot of time, and you can wear for your Zoom meetings, for your conference video conference calls, for your Skype video calls, for your FaceTime calls, and this is it. Believe it or not, I don't have any foundation on my face, but I do have these annoying little baby hairs that keep popping up. I don't have any foundation on my face, okay? So this is just a little bit of concealing and correcting and a lot of skincare. So that's why my skin is so glowy. It's skin focused because if we're home and we just want to look presentable, we're going to do the minimum in the makeup department and we're going to do the maximum in the skincare department because we want to benefit from it, right? So that being said, I'm not going to ramble on, but I am going to say something I haven't been able to say to you in a while. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. Move my hair out of the way, but like I'm too cool for that, right? So we're not gonna do all that. Turn my phone on silent. Okay, so I'm excited to finally not have to do a voiceover video. You get what I'm saying? So like, I'm excited. I should probably move this camera up a little. This is probably good, right? Okay, we're just gonna get started. So the first thing I like to do, I've already cleansed and toned my face, but now I'm gonna go in with skincare. Very important, skincare. If you're trying to go for a no makeup look and you're trying to avoid having to wear foundation, you need your base to look very hydrated and glowy because it can look dull and you want it to look very vibrant. So we're gonna do a lot of skincare, so bear with me. So the first thing I'll be going in with is the Marla vita-c dark circle correcting corrector. So just take a tiny drop of this, if you guys can see, and I'm just applying this directly to my under eye area. Should have went in with serum first, but that's okay. Now I really like this eye cream because it does have some brightening components in there and it's very good for your eyes, and if you have some pigmentation, it does help reduce that a little. Now the next thing I'm going to do is, no, we're not applying makeup. I'm taking my Temptu Air Pod, and this is in MT Pod. This is called the MT Pro Pod. And I'm mixing 2 serums and spraying it on my face. And you guys are probably like, why you gotta be so bougie? Why are you spraying it? It's not because I'm bougie. It's because I like it to be evenly distributed. The 2 serums I'll be going in with is the Core 7 serum by Temptu. This is absolutely amazing, paired with the Rodent & Fields Active Hydration Serum. So what I am going to do is take a few drops of this right into my machine. I put too much. That's okay. So you put your hand over here and you pull the soft touch control down just slightly and back bubble those 2 products. You can see them bubbling, and that's just mixing the serums together. And now I spray. A little on my neck too. Don't want to neglect our neck. And you can already see the glow to my skin. Next, we're going to go in with our Laura Mercier The Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer. I have been obsessed with this moisturizer for a few weeks now. It's so great. I take a little bit on my finger and dot it around my face like so and just rub it through. So as you can see, our skin looks super healthy and hydrated. Next, we're gonna use the Brush Beauty Balm Marula Oil. Not a whole lot. Let me not drop this actually. But I will take a little bit and just put a few drops into my machine. You guys see that glow? Okay. So I like to just massage this in. But now here is my answer to all your puffiness problems. Then I just take this. Feels so good because they're nice and cold. And I just massage this. And I massage my face. And on your eyes, hold them there for a minute and just relax. And then I use the bottom to just do my under eyes. Next, I'm gonna go in with my YSL Lip Perfector and just apply this to my lips. The primer I'm going to be using is a brand new one. To be honest, I've never used this before, so hopefully it doesn't fail me. This is the Too Faced Primed and Poreless Mattifying and Skin Smoothing Primer. I'm only applying this to the areas where I have some pores because I don't want all the skincare to go to waste and mattify. So I take the tiniest amount right here on my pointer and I just apply this here, 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 and a little on my chin and just blend it out. Next, I'm going to go in with my Danessa Myricks Prison FX Hydrating Lotion in the shade Peach. Small amount of that. And press this all over. Use a beauty blender to apply. So I'm really loving this glow. It's like perfect. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 230. Now, this concealer is only going to be applied to my under eye area, and any blemishes that I have, I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm literally gonna take a small dot. A little bit on my nose, because my nose is red. And this little beauty mark that I hate. And now I just use my finger to blend this part out. I think I applied a little bit too much right there, so spread that out and my edges of my nose, whatever's left. And just use the blender to blend it all out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Farsali Jelly Beam Highlighter Jelly in the shade Glazed. I take a small amount and just put this right here on the high points and quickly blend it out. This stuff does dry quick. I like to take it into my temples, so put it right there. Chin. Nose. Just right there, actually. Next, I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Primed and Poreless Pore Blurring and Mattifying Face Powder. And it is just a white powder that's supposed to make you poreless and whatnot. I'm just going to use this powder to set my under eye area. And I'm also gonna set my nose because I'm just gonna go in with a slight nose contour with powder. And I also don't like a shiny nose, by the way. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just gonna contour my nose with this very slightly. Now, we're not gonna do much bronzer, but just a tiny bit. I'm gonna go in with my cream bronzer by Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade Teddy. Right here, tiny bit, see? Just to bronze, a little. And right here, and here. Next, I'm gonna go with this Fenty Beauty blush. This is in the shade Petal Poppin' from the Cheeks Out Cream Blush Collection, and apply this to the apples of my cheeks. I just like to do a little finger swab, like so, right to the apples, and use this to blend out. And take it into the nose, because I like a blushy nose. Next, I'm going to go in and fill in my eyebrows a little bit. This is the shade Medium Brown by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So you can see the difference. It's very slight, but it looks more polished. I'm going to go in with my Temptu Built to Lash Mascara and apply this to my lashes. I like to twirl the wand to really get every lash. And next I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Cosmetics Lippy Pencil. This is in the shade Minute Man, and I'm just going to use this to lightly outline my lips. I'm going to use my finger to blend it out just because I don't want it to be too harsh. Next, I'm going to go in with my YSL Tatouche Couture Liquid Lipstick in the shade 23. Just going to lightly apply this to my lips, not my eyes. To give a hint. And now, guys, the star of the show. Okay, maybe not the star of the show, but like something I'm super excited to try out. I just got it in the mail today. This is the Huda Beauty Sparkly Lip Balm in the shade Lace Panty. Look at that. It is so freaking pretty. Like when I saw this on her Insta, I thought it was photoshopped, but it's actual glitter on there. It's so pretty. Just like that. And the final step is setting spray, but not regular setting spray, airbrush, because I'm bougie. No, it's really because I just like the way it feels and how it softly and evenly mists around my face instead of like and like splattering in my eye. You get what I'm saying? So I will be going in with the All Nighter by Urban Decay. This is in the Summer Solstice. I'm just going to spray 3 times in here. Turn it on the first setting and spray around your face. And then we're just gonna fan. Okay guys, this is it. This is my no makeup look. This is perfect for all of you that have been asking for a quick routine to jump on a Zoom conference call or a Skype video call or a FaceTime call with your loved ones for work or whatever you're doing. You asked for this. Anytime I ask the question, what glam do you guys want to see on my live channel on Instagram? You all say this. You want to see something quick to throw yourself together for those calls, and this is it. I'm not wearing any foundation. You guys saw very little correcting and concealing. It's mostly skin focused and it's good for you. So it's not like you're wearing makeup and you have loads of makeup on. Since you guys are home and we're all quarantined to our houses, why not focus on the skincare but still look presentable on camera. You know what I mean? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. One more thing I want to add, if you guys don't want to use the airbrush, of course, that's your choice. I like to use it because it evenly distributes all the products on my face, especially my skincare. I don't want to miss any areas. That's why I use the airbrush. And I just want that, like, I want to feel good, you know, and the airbrush makes me feel good. Like I put some effort into my look, okay? So now I really do want to take time to say, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.